Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3 Global Terminal. Today we are going to present about allegories and symbols. Before we go into the material, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Miki Adrian.
My name is Afrina Diva Sartika.
My name is Anissa Komaria.
My name is Yesi Surniati.
And my name is Zulfaulia Rahmi.
Okay, the first material is about allegories. So, what is allegories? Allegory is the expression of truths or generalizations about human existence by means of symbolic fictional figures and their actions. It encompasses such forms as fable and parable. A metaphor broadly is a figurative language. Specifically, it is a figure of speech in which a word appears literally denoting one kind of object or idea in use in place of another to suggest a likeness or analogy between them. So, how does allegories work? First, allegories are symbols that work together to develop a deeper meaning. Two, allegories are often intended to teach moral lessons or make comment about godness and depravity or evilness also.
Two types allegories. Fables has been around for thousands of years as part of an oral storytelling tradition present in all cultures. Fables use animals and objects as characters to tell a story and deliver a lesson. By using animals to represent humans, storytellers are able to indirectly criticize human behavior. However, since fables tend to be short and have a quickly identifiable reason they are of the more straightforward variety of allegories. Two parables, part of an oral storytelling tradition and can be found just as far back in history as the fable. Like the fable, the parable is another type of allegorical story that delivers a clear message about human behavior, the purpose of getting people to act differently. It's different from the fable in that it uses people as character rather than animals.
And the next topic is accessibility. Allegories use symbolic and metaphorical storytelling to convey complex idea in more accessibly and engaging manner. This makes them suitable for the wide range of the audience, including those who might find direct discourse and abstract concept challenging to understand. And the example of allegories, the first is The Fairy Queenie by M. Spencer, and the second is Animal Farm by George Orwell, and the third is The Snatches by Dr. Seuss.
Okay, the next slide is about symbol. What is symbolism? A symbol is something that stands for itself, but also something larger than itself. A symbol is a person, object, place, event, or action that suggests more than its literal meaning. Next is function of symbol. The first is delivers depth of meaning. Symbols enrich poetry with deeper meanings than those seen in a literal way. 2. Takes the reader into a deeper experience. Symbols help the reader to connect with the poem emotionally and intellectually. The third is convey complex feelings or concepts. Symbols allow poets to convey complex ideas or feelings that are difficult to express directly. There is two types of symbol. The first is conventional symbol, something that is generally recognized to represent a certain idea. And the second is contextual or literary symbol, go beyond traditional meanings, reflecting the speaker's internal state of mind.
Okay, these are examples of symbol. First, animal symbols of poetry. Uh, First, dove can meaning peace, purity, simplicity. Fox can meaning slyness, cleverness. Lion can meaning power, pride, and snake can meaning temptation or evil, and owl can meaning wisdom or messenger of it. And the second one is colors. The first one is red can meaning love and intensity. Blue can meaning calmness, serenity, and depth. Green can meaning growth, renewal, and nature. And yellow can meaning brightness, joy, and positivity. The third one is times. For example, morning. Morning can meaning purity, the beginning, or the time of God's blessing. And day or light can meaning hope, sanity, or clarity. Night or dark can meaning despair or madness. Sunrise can meaning new beginning, and sunset can meaning ending in victory. The last one is seasons. For example, spring can meaning birth or new beginning. Summer can meaning maturity or knowledge. Autumn can meaning decline or growing old. And winter can meaning death, sleep, or stagnation. Okay, next. Differences between allegories and symbol in poetry. First, an allegory is a narrative that uses characters and events to represent abstract ideas, while symbolism uses symbols to represent a deeper meaning. Two, allegories are longer and more complex than symbolic representation, while symbolism focuses more on individual objects or concepts. Three, allegories are written to teach a moral lesson, while symbolism can be used in any medium to convey a deeper meaning. These are references from for our PPT. And get back to Mickey.
Okay, this is our presentation about allegories and symbol. Sorry for the mistake and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.